Similarly, there are some other codes, there are some other interrupts. I'll share this detailed document. In that document you can see all the interrupts. A few of them is being used in the lab for your practice, but you can see there are different type of interrupts, and again the interrupt 21H has different codes. If you want to, for example, you are connected with a printer, you are connected with another console input device, you are connected with other things, you can use the different codes. For example, as I have explained earlier, that you can see that at 07 is getting the value from the keyboard without echo. So this document is updated, and you can get all the codes of interrupt. Now moving forward, if I want to display a string on the screen, what code will be and what type of interrupt will be using? Basically interrupt 21 will be used, and the code which is being stored in AH register will be 9. Basically 9 is to display a complete string on the screen, but string is a stream of data, array of memory, different consecutive memory locations. So you need to provide the offset address of your first string, of your first character of the string. So here I'll explain this with the help of a code. Here you can see, for example, here you can see that I have declared a string in a message. MSG is the short form of message. This is basically a constant which is of defined type, and here I have written a string of hello world ending with a dollar sign. That is basically necessary to end a string. Dollar sign is basically used as a terminator, as a string terminator. So this dollar sign indicating that your string is ended here. So this is compulsory to end your string with a dollar sign. Now how your system will get the offset address of first? So for that you need to use the command move dx comma offset is the keyword, and msg is that constant which is declared or equivalent for the string. So basically this will store the offset address of hello world string in the dx register. Then you will be using move ah comma 09. Basically this is the code for displaying a complete string on screen, and then interrupt 21H will be called. So after executing the first command, you will see that offset value, the dx register is updated with the offset value of msg, that constant which is declared for a string. Then ah will be updated with 09, and after calling the interrupt you can see a hello world string over your screen. There is an other way to do that, that is basically LEA. You can also use LEA dx comma message. This is basically again another way. This is basically LEA stands for load effective address. This will also load the offset address of your string in dx register. You may also use this syntax as well. So here you can see that by using LEA dx comma msg, your offset of string is updated in dx register. This way you can also display the value. So you may use move dx comma offset variable constant of that string, and you can also use LEA dx comma msg. Msg is basically the name of that constant in which string is being stored.